G'day, I'm Shaz. Welcome to Shaz Shenanigans. Today we're going to talk about washing clothes. It's my day off today, so I'm having to do the washing. Oh my God, I hate washing. Man, oh, look at me. Excuse my makeup. I haven't got it on. It's my day off. Washing. Biggest peeve about washing is doing other people's dirty clothes. Yes, it was my choice to have 4 children, but you know, cleaning up after them, nobody gave you like warning on that, did they? Should be a book or something, you know? Got to wash their clothes every week. Oh. Don't get me started. All right, so socks. What is it with the socks? Socks. You put 2 in and 1 comes out. Don't get it. Oh, so my son and his jocks. Now, when you wash your clothes, right, 1 week, we put them all in the basket, 1 week, okay? No worries. So I'm sure I have probably in my washing in a week, maybe anywhere from 12 to 14 pairs of knickers, yeah, right, okay, because, you know, having 4 kids, your bladder control is a little bit, I tend to have a little bit of pee come out when it's like, you know, I cough, or I laugh, or I sniff, or I cry, or even if I breathe. So, you know, again, that's having 4 children. But my son, all right, so for 1 week, I find 1 pair of jocks in the wash. Where the hell do they go? Like, I know he's got them because I bought them for him. 1 pair of jocks. One. What does he do? Turn them inside out and let them air? I don't know. Drives me crazy. The washing basket. All right. I know. Every time I go into the bathroom, right, and I say to the kids, put your clothes in the basket. It's not hard. Basket, all right, has a lid. You put the clothes in it, yeah, right? Pretty easy. Nah, always got to pick the clothes up off the floor in the basket. So I made a rule. No clothes, no washing. You can wear your dirty shit. The rule's simple. Put the clothes in the basket if you want them to get washed. Okay, it's not hard. But no, they're either in the basket or on the basket, but not in the basket. It's not hard. Come on, guys, get it together. Oh, I'll tell you one thing that Shaz hates doing is hanging out the clothes, right? Like if it's a beautiful day, excellent, they dry really quick. But sometimes, you know, you'll hang them out the last minute because you forgot to hang them out. And then you go to get them back in and they're still a little bit wet. Might as well just chuck them in the dryer because at least that won't get, you know. But with electricity nowadays, we can't afford the electricity. So we've got to make sure it's dry because the dryer takes up too much electricity. It costs like pretty much $300 if we actually like put the dryer on, you know. Anyway, so, you know, sometimes the clothes stay on the line for about a week. I hate washing. If you love Shaz Shenanigans, please subscribe. And let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching. Good on you, mate.